everybody, my name is Bella, and today we are going to be making friendship bracelets, but instead of cute sayings, we're gonna have it saying vines.
Intro music, because this is the intro.
So, as you know, I'm your lovely cheap person, so all this stuff was at the lovely dollar store. So, if you want to follow along, just spend $3. Literally. $1 for some cute looking twine. Basically, which was the only stuff that they had. They didn't have the stretchy stuff, so we're gonna use twine. Alphabet, so then you can spell out your words. Lovely normal beads. Out of the 3, I'm going to go with this one since it kind of matches my overall shorts. I see one part, but that's at the. Oh, just kidding! It's not at the bottom. Never mind, forget it. Okay, so you have your twine, and then roughly measure it around your wrist. So here's where we got about my wrist. So then we're gonna open up our other beads, and I'm gonna try to find a cute little pattern. Okay, so we have a lovely collection of beads here. We have dark blue, white, yellow, lime green, pink, magenta, purple. Did I say orange? Dark green. And I think that's it. I think we're gonna do a simple vine. And I think I'm gonna go with dark blues. Definitely add some white to get that light burst of color. And you know what? Let's go with the dark green too. That'll be that's a nice color combination there. I got a different color in there. It's been contaminated. Oh my god. Oh my gods. Okay, so we have quite the amount of forest green, navy blue, and white beads. Okay, so we have our lovely baker's twine. I think we're gonna do 2 navy, 1 white, 2 green, 2 navy, 1 white, 2 green, 2 navy, 1 white. Yeah, that type of thing. What do you think? Yeah, I think we're gonna put another white there. And then we're gonna sort through our little bag to find a zuck. Let's go with yellow. Let's try to find if we can have yellow. So we have an E. Now we need a Z. Where is the U? Where are you? Okay. So we have it yellow and teal repeating. A zuck. Oh, I don't know what I was doing. We're having it 3 Z's. No, I need a yellow Z. Where did this N come from? I think I just completely screwed myself up. Okay, I don't think we're gonna find a yellow Z. Uh-oh. Yay! We found it. Just kidding. That's nice. I like when things work out. I know it's backwards to you, maybe, but this is what we have. And then we're gonna do 2 forest green to have it reversed on the other side so it's nice and balanced. There we go. Finally. 1 white, 2 green, 1 white, and then 2 blue, and then we're done. No! No! Step 1. I can't make friendship bracelets. This is not a joke. I wish it was. Once you're done with your bracelet, and hopefully you didn't have it destroyed like I did, you want to tie like a quadruple knot. Okay, so I did a double knot and we're pulling it by the bottom edges so then it's tightened and we get as much bracelet as we can, and then we have our zuck. We're gonna carefully roll it around our hand and pray it doesn't break. And I put it on wrong, so we're gonna have to take it off again. So thank you for joining me in on my bracelet making. Hopefully you can make your own too. I'll show a little collage right now of all the bracelets that I was able to successfully make. Yeah. I hate that. Sorry. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Bella, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!
Little end of video Bella message for you guys. So I told you I would let you know when I got my AP scores back, and it's been about a week or so since I've gotten them back, and somehow, by God, the cotton ball gods answered me. I managed to get a 5. I'm not saying it's exactly because I glued cotton balls to my face. I'm not saying it's not because either. So, we need more research into this idea, so look forward to more videos of me gluing stuff to my face this upcoming school year. Have a great day. My name is Bella, and I hope you tune in later.